So your name, your background, paano tayo na-invite, then in the last how many months of doing Sana, paano siya nagbago? Paano pinagbago ng buhay natin?
Sure. So I'm Ana Marie Cabato Araneta.
Hi!
So I'm a registered nurse in Saudi Arabia. Me and my husband, we are working there for 12 years now. And we're blessed with a little girl also. So actually, I was getting curious about this Usana thing since last year. I remember March. Okay, so yung building of curiosity, very effective with Coach Joey and Jerry. So I'm following them in Facebook. They invited me. They said they wanted to present something. So I was so negative. I said, present, Skype. I don't know Skype, really. So sabi ko, next year na lang, when I get home, I will sit down with you guys and tingnan ko kung ano yan. So I only think about it after the next year we came home for vacation. Sorry, nag-English ako ha. Okay. So when they invited us, for my daughter's birthday, so ako pa nag-aasa ka, yung ano ba yun, ano ninyo, racket, ganyan. So it started there, okay? So nung nag-decide talaga ako, as hindi na diretso. Because this year, nag-isip din ako, I wanted to earn some extra income. And I also have other health issues with me, with my family also. Ang stress level working abroad is very unimaginable. So I said, I need this. Kailangan ko ang Usana, we have to do this. So nag-join yung husband ko, we enrolled him first. So we worked on his PPS. Luckily na namin yung PPS na nahabol. So, when we get back to Saudi Arabia, in-start namin kaagad mag-present. So, we're doing all the, yung mga materials binigay sa amin. So, we're doing a lot of homeworks on our own. So, I learned, I trained myself. So, in my experience in presenting the, company, products, and all, wala talagang na hindi naghihili. They want the product. They need the product. So actually, very siya. But our only challenge is wala kasi si Usana doon. So, very, very challenging siya talaga. So, pero we're seeing results. So, that's where we started. Kumuha na lang ako ng mga orders. Nung nakita ko yung mga orders nila is already one good enrollment, 3 days. So, I also joined. So, gano'n lang yung strategy namin as husband and wife. So, actually, wala talaga akong nilabas ko yung pera, but it came back to me. Kasi sure na yun eh. So, that was how wise we were. Okay, you can also use that strategy when you join. It doesn't mean you have to join both at the same time. So, we have strategies also. Okay, so then we started on, I don't know, but our organization, grabe siya as in. Ang dami talagang nag-join, nag-pay in sa amin. So, but really, still the availability of the product remains our challenge. This was very unexpected. Grabe yung experience ko. It was my first time to attend the convention. And I keep on texting, calling my husband. Maski hindi niya ako naririnig, sigaw lang ako ng sigaw. Kasi grabe yung energy dito. So, I learned a lot from that convention and I met a lot of very prominent, prestigious people who were very inspiring. So, from then on, nag-text ako sa mga downlines namin sa Saudi. Sabi nila, Coach Ann, coach na ako. Balik ka na dito. So, I said, I have so much, ang dami kong baon na learning sa'yo na I'm bursting to share it all with you. So, I'm counting my days here now. So, I wish I can share it all with them. All the secrets, all the inspirations, the motivations. So, I felt great. And nakita ko yung team natin na extreme. Grabe pala talaga. At hindi pa yung lahat, right? So, let's go for gold. And I would like to thank everyone for sharing this experience with me. The feast was very inspirational.
Wow.
I recommend you always go, when you go to Manila, you always go to that place also. So we don't forget God. Who is giving all these blessings to us.
Tama.